Hello dear friends! In this video I will make a summer berry cake that can be prepared in just 15 minutes. It's very simple to make and it turns out delicious, tender and beautiful. I will list the ingredients in the description below the video. I soak gelatin in cold milk and let it sit for 10 minutes to swell. I washed the blueberries and raspberries and dried them well, removing any excess moisture. I set aside some berries separately. We will need them to decorate the top of the cake. In a bowl I pour room temperature milk, add Belize liqueur, then powdered sugar and whisk everything together. I also add a pinch of vanilla and coconut cream, mixing everything thoroughly. Then I add mascarpone cheese, which should also be at room temperature. If it's hard to mix, warm it in the microwave and stir until smooth. The mixture should be smooth and free of lumps. Make sure the cheese is fully dissolved. If it doesn't dissolve well, heat the mixture in the microwave so the cheese melts properly. I warm the swollen gelatin in the microwave in 10 to 15 second bursts. Then I pour it into the prepared mixture and mix everything well. I add the berries and mix thoroughly. I lined a springform pan with plastic wrap to prevent the mixture from leaking. I pour the prepared berry mixture into the pan. On top, I arrange raspberries and blueberries to decorate the cake. I cover it with plastic wrap and place it in the refrigerator to set. After the dessert has set, I take it out of the fridge. I show you that it has slightly leaked, so be sure to use several layers of plastic wrap. I run a towel or cloth soaked in hot water along the sides of the pan to help the dessert release easily. I also run a knife along the inner edges of the pan to loosen the dessert. I hope my video was helpful to you. See you next time. Bye!